And then I'm going to share a whiteboard screen. Are you guys all able to see this whiteboard screen?
Yep.
Sweet. Colton and Andrew, you guys good?
Yep.
Yeah.
Colton, you good?
Yeah.
Colton, I think Tyson misses you, buddy.
Yeah, I missed you, Colton. You too, Brad.
Yep.
Hey, why does it come up as Andrew?
I don't know.
Dang. Can't even take ownership in your own thing.
Yeah, Brad, did you, who won the wiffle ball game the other day? That looks intense.
It went into a tie.
Oh, man. So sad. All right, everybody. So here's number 5. We'll do 5, 7, and 9. And honestly, this stuff probably, again, should look familiar because we're doing review stuff until later. So basically on number 5, though, we got to get y by itself. Do you guys know what to do to get y by itself here?
Is it -2 on right side?
Boom. I like it. -2 on this side, -2 on that side. So we get 3y equals -2x minus 18. And then, hey, Bethany's coming. Oh, she left. She's coming. We'll finish this one, and then hopefully she'll be able to join in. So then, what would you guys do after that?
Shoot, it's been so long.
Yeah, man, Tyson's off the hook. Brad, Colton, you got any idea?
Divide by 3.
Yeah, divide by 3 everywhere. I like that. So divide by 3, divide by 3, divide by 3. So that's that weird thing where we get divide by 3 everywhere, and we get y equals -2/3 x minus 6. And then this is what we're going to graph. So we can't graph until then.
Let me go down to 6, right?
6, perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, perfect. And you guys, if you got the packet from the school, you can just use it. That thing goes by 2s, it looks like. But if you're just doing it on your own paper, then you got to do what I'm doing, I guess. Perfect, down 6. And then are you guys good with after that you go down 2/3 from there?
Mm-hmm.
Sweet, down 2/3. So boom, right there. And then
Do that again.
yeah, do that again, or that might be off the screen, I don't know. So something like that.
So it's like 3 dots, right?
Yeah. How's everybody feel about that one?
Good.
Good.
Colton.
I'm gonna make sure Bethany's good to go here.
Like, my video's not showing. Like, I don't know what's going on.
Oh, that's okay. So I don't need to see your face. My question is, Bethany, can you see me?
Yeah, I can see you.
Okay, perfect.
You see me?
Yeah, I
Yeah,
can
can you
see
see Tyson? Okay, you can see Tyson. Okay, great. Now, when I do this, can you see the whiteboard, Bethany? So, like, if I write on here, Bethany, can you see that?
Uh-oh. I don't think she can hear us no more.
Bethany.
Oh, I can see the 7.
Okay, perfect. Good. Yeah. So just we're on the 3rd day of the packet. It says like day 3, and it says some graphing. Is that okay?
Well, I only got so I got Mondays done, and then I got confused on Tuesdays.
Okay. So actually, Bethany, you know what we can do is after I do some of these today's, then I can go back, and if the boys log off, then you and I can just do some from that day. Is that
I
okay?
can help with Tuesdays too. Is that okay?
Oh, yeah. So you and Bethany can both stay on.
Okay.
So Bethany, is it okay though if you just go to Wednesdays, if you go to day 3?
Yeah.
And we just did number 5, but then we're doing number 7 and 9 as well.
Okay.
So we're doing those together. And then after that, I'll let some of these guys go because the rest of that homework you'll just do on your own. But then, yeah, you and me and Tyson can stay on and we can do some of the other solving together. Sweet. Here is number 7. Y minus 2 equals 1/3 x minus 9. So this is actually what we just got done doing. This is where we've got to like move this equation and then graph it afterwards.
What did you distribute, right?
Boom. Love it. Distribute that 1/3.
I don't even know what the third time is.
And this is actually, that's really nice because isn't 1/3 times 9? I think it's 3.
For sure.
-3. So that's really nice that that's a whole number. And then we only got one more step.
Divide by 2.
So
Right.
close. Because
Oh.
usually it's divide. It was on the last one.
Oh,
So
you said add 2?
yeah, add 2. So like on these ones at the end, you're going to add or subtract. But on the one we just did on number 5 and like number 4, you'll divide. So nice. You add 2 and add 2 over here because that's a select term. We get y equals 1/3 x minus 1.
All right. So then down
Yeah.
1,
Down 1 and then,
up 1/3.
yeah. I'm going to go up 1/3 again. Boom. Like that. How's everybody feeling?
Good.
Cool.
Winner. Hey, I've got all kinds of work here. How you guys doing? Good. That study guides for driver's ed were not right. They were only run off on one side and not the other. That's why that is.
Hi, Bradley's dad.
All right.
Not even get high five. That's what it is. Bradley's dad said hi. Bradley, how?
He's like in the zone. Why don't you guys want to try 9 on your own really quick and then I'll just do it and then you guys can see if you get it right?
Yep.
Sweet.
Keep it down a notch.
All right, I distributed, got 2x plus 6,
Subtract
then
1.
minus 1, and got 2x plus 5. Is this what you guys got for what you graph? Sweet. Then I went up 5. And then did you guys go up 2/1? Did you remember to make that a 2/1? Sweet. So that's that. Let me hop back here. So like Colton already pieced out because he knew what was going on. And Brad, if you feel good, then you're good to go too if you want.
See you, Brad.
Finish that graph stuff.
All right.
And then Bethany, did that graphing stuff that we just did make sense?
Yeah.
Sweet. So let's do hop back to Tuesdays, and then we'll do a couple from there to help you guys out. And then after that, basically, Bethany, just so you know, what you do is you're gonna just like take a picture of your work, and then you'll either email it to me or there's a way to like put it on. Have you gone to my Google Classroom yet?
Yeah.
Okay, so then there's just under the classwork tab, there's that assignment, and then you could just like attach the picture to that assignment instead. So then you keep each of the assignments separate. But basically that's what you do, and then I just give you a 5 out of 5 for doing each assignment.
Okay.
So you guys are on the day 2 stuff now. You guys want to just do the evens together?
Yeah.
And then I won't worry too much about the word problem. Tyson, I know you're talking about that one. If you guys just want to do sticks,
I got 6 players. If that looked, maybe.
I actually haven't done it yet, so I'm not sure. So go with it.
So,
I'm gonna say-
so it's just like one of those we just like the x1 minus y, the y2 minus x2, right on the top,
Yeah.
and then same thing. Okay.
Sweet. So we'll do 2, 4, and 6 together, and then I'll let you guys do 1, 3, and 5. Like try them on your own. So here's
Yeah,
the
5 and 6. Those are the only ones. Well, 4. I didn't really get, but.
Oh, so you did 1, 2, and 3 already?
And then I tried 4, but I don't know if it's right.
Oh, sweet. Well, then how about Tyson? Let's do that. Why don't we do 4, 5, and 6 together, and then you do 1, 2, and 3?
Yeah.
That might be because usually the last
Yeah,
one.
same thing. Yeah, I did 1, 2, and 3. I got those.
Sweet. Yeah, let's do them then. That's perfect. So 4. And then just so you guys know, since you guys are like just ready to get some questions answered and stuff, if like we're gonna probably most of the time it's gonna be on like Mondays and on Mondays and Wednesdays. But if there's another day that you guys get confused on the assignment, just email me and we'll make sure that you guys get help. So,
All right.
so yeah. On this one's actually kind of crazy because it looks super complicated because of all the fractions. But actually, if you just minus 2/3 on both sides, they go away. So I know that's like super crazy because it's so fractions. But then you just get 1/3 equals negative 2/3. And actually, Tyson, this would have been something that you weren't in my class for. You would have been in Mr. Leany's. So if this doesn't look familiar, that's okay. But basically, if you get here and there's no letters, this is either where it's no solution or infinite solutions. But what do you guys think? If these don't equal each other, is it no solution or is it
Solution.
Yeah, it's no solution.
Okay.
So that's your
put that.
answer to
I
that
just
one.
put, like,
But like, if you go to number 1, my mom was telling me like they're the same, so it's gonna be infinitely.
Yeah, number 1 is infinite. Nice.
I put no.
But isn't number 4 like the same thing? Like they look the same.
That is a good question. Yeah, number 1. So yeah, let me go. I'll just show you the work for that one really quick. Number 1, when you distribute, what's weird is when you distribute number 1, I think you get 5z plus 2.5 times 5.
12.5.
12.5, nice. And then you get 5z plus 12.5. But this time when you subtract the z's, you have the same number. So here when we had the same number, this is infinite. But if we would have had, so the first one that we had a different number. So these two numbers were different.
I like one of the clicks for number 4 was just like I saw a bunch of fractions and I know like what she told us, like if when you see a bunch of Mr. Leany told us if you see a bunch of fractions, it's just automatically think it's not going to be a solution.
Be careful with that because I don't know if that's how number 2 is. But maybe it is. Check it.
Yeah. Okay.
Well, actually, yeah, I think you're lucky. Number 2 is no solution. I think.
Oh, okay, good. Because I put no solution either.
Do you guys want to do number 5?
Yes. I made a mistake like writing in blue pen the first time I did this, so I made a mistake. So
Yeah. So we got to distribute the 1/3. That's kind of gross. 1/3 times t is 1/3 t. But I think 1/3 times 6 is just 2.
2, yeah.
Minus 10. This one is not going to be no solution. This one's kind of gross, so we'll see what we got. What would you guys do next?
I'd add all the variables first, subtract them and stuff, right?
Yeah, I would. So like maybe let's add the 3t over here, right, to the like terms. So if I add the 3t over here, then 1/3 t plus 3t is 3 and 1/3 t, right? Because 3 plus 1/3 is 3 1/3.
Yeah.
Is it okay with you guys if I combine these two things right now too?
Yep.
Yeah,
So minus 8 equals 2. And then what do we do to get t by itself?
add the 8.
Yeah.
Nice. So you get 3 and 1/3 t equals 10. And then this is gross. Without a calculator, it's really kind of nasty to divide by 3 1/3. So I'll see if I can do this one in my head. 10 divided by 2.
Probably whack.
Actually, I think it's 3. That's crazy.
That's crazy.
But that means that this isn't no solution or infinite solutions. This is just the one solution that we found. It's just 3.
Oh, okay.
Alright. Okay, but remember like number 5 on day 2, and there's a number 5 for the word problem too. It says number 5 for both.
Yeah, I think that was, so I made the Algebra 2 packet for like all the other math teachers, and like Mrs. Erlini made the Algebra 1 packet for all the other math teachers. And there's just some typos. Like that was one of Mrs. Erlini's typos. I accidentally put a B instead of an X in one of the Algebra 2 things. So yeah, we just have some typos. Did you guys still want to do number 6, or how you feeling?
I got number 6 good.
Bethany, what'd you say?
I was looking at my phone to see what because I didn't write number 6 down yet.
Oh, gotcha.
Excuse.
Oh, really?
I think it's with decimals, but it's just a normal solving one.
Yeah, I think I got this one.
Sweet. So I'll stop share there.
All right.
So I think that's it. So you guys just make sure you take pictures of those. And if you can't figure out how to do it on Google Classroom, then email me.
All right.
But if you figure out how to do it on Google Classroom, then send it to my Google Classroom.
Thank you, Miss Lindell.
Yeah, good work, guys.
Have a good day.
Yep, you too. See you guys in a few days. Bye.